As an instructor, I don't introduce the Big O pattern at these dimensions until I believe students are ready. So this pattern is 32 feet in diameter, 4-foot entry gate, 4-foot center cones. That basically gives you about 16 feet to turn both ways because you're going to do a figure eight. That's barely enough space for a Harley to do. And so you want to counter steer as you go through those center cones. Give yourself a little extra space to make that bar lock turn up against the wall. And then you want to ride that wall until a certain point. You'll figure it out after you do it a few times. Don't just keep the bar lock cranked. Once you get to that point, head and eyes, snap them, get through that center gate, and then hold that just a little bit, again, to give yourself just a little bit of extra space. And then, of course, head and eyes, transition, bar lock, back up against the wall. Do the same thing through the center gate and then out the 4-foot exit gate. Nailing that transition and friction zone is crucial in this pattern. Otherwise, you may blow out the side of the wall. Also, not riding the wall and waiting for that point will leave you turning wide and hit a center cone. And you'll dump the bike a lot if you're not comfortable with your friction zone and bar lock. Train hard, ride safe.